This is a man's world, but it would mean nothing, nothing without a woman or a girl. Whoa, yeah, yeah. Come on. See, man made a cars to take us over the road. Man made a train to carry the heavy load. Man made the electric light to take us out of the dark. Whoa. Man made the boat for the water, like Bible says Noah made the ark. See, this is a man's world, but it would mean nothing, not one little thing, without a woman or a girl.